Hey everyone, this is Fill McCrackin. I'm gonna show you another little trick. This is gonna save you thousands and thousands of dollars. Everybody normally is buying one of these little fine machines, anywhere from 3 to 4 grand up to 15, 20 grand. I'm gonna show you today how to paint lines with a simple cup from your coffee in the morning. So my way into this job this morning, I went and got a coffee, and I tell you what, I save these cups. Some days we don't stripe, but I got about 10, 20 of these sitting in my truck right now. So I'm gonna show you a couple ways. We're gonna paint these lines, and this diameter from right here to right here is 4 inches. That's all we gotta do. The customer says, can you paint my parking lot? I said, I sure can. And I'll tell you what, he never said it had to be straight, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make some money off of this one. So what I do, you household paint, whatever paint you wanna use, got a little bit of coffee in there. That's all right. So dip it in the paint like this, and then you're gonna find your line. See, we seal coated this, but we left it thin enough so we can see the lines. So that's actually helping a little bit. So we're gonna come up here, and we're gonna start. This is a tricky part, but we're gonna go like that, and then move that in like that. See that? Very consistent. This cup, normally if you use the 7-Eleven Big Slurp, you can do the whole line all in one. But as you can see, you don't need anything else here at all. Hey, look, we'll come up here. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. But you don't get much better than this. This is all in a day's work. When you get done with the cup, you just leave it on the job site. Leave it there. The customer did not pay you to take away the trash. You just leave the shit there. No reason to take. That's how you paint lines. I'd probably do more of this and faster than you can unload that machine out of your trailer. That's how we do it. And then if you got any paint on it, you just leave it while you buy these clothes at Walmart. That's it. That's all I can teach you today.